Do you feel excited about waking up every single morning and getting out of bed and do the thing which you're currently doing? Like maybe it's a 9 to 6 job, or you are a university student, or you're a homemaker, or whatever it is. Do you feel excited doing the thing which you're currently doing in your life? Or are you feeling stuck or lost, kind of unsure about the next step of your life? If you choose the latter, then this video is for you because you're not alone. It just means that you haven't completely figured out what to do with your life, or you haven't completely figured out what is your purpose in this life. So, today we are going to figure out exactly that. You are going to learn how to visualize a future that excites you. If you can figure out what is your exact purpose in this life, every single day will be very exciting and amazing. So, hello everyone, welcome to Megsterverse. This is the universe where you will become the best version of yourself. Do not hesitate to subscribe to this channel because I talk about personal growth, mindset, and building a life that you love. So, let's get into it. I want you to go and sit in a very comfortable place with your journal or a laptop or something you prefer to write on. Make sure you're in a very good emotional state before you do this exercise. The first step is reflection. Ask yourself, what are the things that light me up? When do I feel the most fulfilled? Write these questions in your journal and write the answers to these questions honestly from the bottom of your heart. You might also want to consider these questions as well. What activities make me lose track of time? What problems do I naturally want to solve? What do people ask me for advice on? Write down moments in your life where you truly felt alive, and patterns will start to emerge. This is a great starting point, but sometimes you will not know what you want until you try something new. Explore, experiment, and step out of your comfort zone. And it is okay if you don't get it right the first time. Every experience teaches you something valuable. Step 3 is visualizing your day. Close your eyes and imagine your ideal day. Where are you? Who are you with? What are you doing? Where do you wake up? How do you spend your free time? This exercise helps bring clarity to what truly matters to you. Step 4 is find role models and mentors. Look at people you admire and study their journey. What parts of their life do you aspire to have? Reach out to mentors or even follow them online. Learn from their experiences. Number 5 is create a vision board. A vision board brings your dreams into your physical world. Fill it with images, quotes, and phrases that resonate with your future self. I am creating a video on how to make a vision board that truly works in the first week of January, so stay tuned. Place your vision board in somewhere you will see it every single day. Step number 6 is breaking it down into actionable steps. Big dreams can feel overwhelming, so start small. Break down your goals into small, manageable steps and start with one thing a day. Step 7 is trust your journey. Your journey might be different from someone else's. Do not ever compare your journey to someone else's journey. You don't have to do anything on someone else's schedule but your own. Your life unfolds at your own pace. Keep exploring and do not rush the process. The answers will naturally come to you. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. So please give a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. If you have any kind of questions, please leave it down below or DM me on Instagram. Subscribe if you want to become the best version of yourself. See you in the next video. Elevate your life one step at a time with Megsterverse. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.